What ho! How are you doing today? This is how I add a signature to my photos in Photoshop. First of all, scan your signature with a normal scanner and import it into Photoshop. Next, I'm going to add a bit of text to my signature with the text tool in Photoshop. Click where you want your text and type away. And then fine-tune your position. There, job's a good one. Next, I'm going to save the file as a JPEG. Okie dokie, File, Save as, JPEG. And I'll call it Sig1 White, because next there's going to be a Sig1 Black. Right, so close that file, then open the JPEG you've just made. Open the JPEG. Excellent. Then go to Image, Adjustments, and then Invert. And as you can see, it's done exactly what it says on the tin. White's become black, black's become white. We're doing this because now you've got a choice, a black signature or a white signature. And now we've got to save it. And yay, we've got one white signature and one black signature to suit any circumstance. There we go, saved with the appropriate name. Now let's get ready to add them to photos. We're going to open both signatures in Photoshop and put them in separate windows. There, one black, one white, and we can choose the appropriate one for whatever our photograph demands. Now let's open a photo, that one there, picture what I took, an homage to Morecambe and Wise. Okay, I think here we'll try a white one down in that bottom right hand corner. So let's open the one with the white writing and then in Photoshop create a duplicate layer. All I'm doing is right clicking, then just edit copy, go to the photo and edit paste. Now we're just going to position our signature where we want it, just unobtrusive in the corner. Okay, this is what makes it. Choose Screen. As you can see, it gets rid of the black background and just leaves the signature. Now, we'll get rid of that and I'll show you how to do it with the black writing. And it's pretty much the same procedure. Right click on the layer, create a duplicate, edit copy, go to the photo, edit paste. Reposition the signature. Now the important difference here is multiply, and using multiply the background has disappeared. Now it's just a case of saving your photo in whatever format you'd like. And I'll save this one as a JPEG. Now, if you need to resize your signature, go to Edit, Transform, Scale, and resize as appropriate. Once you're happy, tick the box to accept the changes. It really is that easy to put a signature on a photo.